Hello again in this video lesson topic 3, Planning and Managing a Sustainable Event. I'm Dr. Diaz Pranita, and I feel so delighted to welcome you to this interesting topic of our MOOC series on the principles of event sustainability. In this module, we will explore planning and managing a sustainable event. After completing this section, you will be able to plan and organizing a sustainable event, as well as monitor and evaluate the achievement of the key performance indicators in event planning. Let's delve to the video lessons of topic 3, Planning and Managing a Sustainable Event. In the ever-evolving event planning landscape, sustainability has transformed from a buzzword into a necessity. However, a truly sustainable event planning requires deeper commitment from event organizer as well as steering and organizing committee. A careful planning and execution is required to ensure that the event is environmentally responsible and conserves resources, as sustainability in event management cascades across all process functions throughout the journey. There are 10 aspects that an event organizer must plan and implement in ensuring the successful organizing of event sustainability. Number 1, setting up sustainable strategy. Number 2, gaining stakeholder support, commitment, and collaboration. Number 3, selecting sustainable venue. Number 4, ensuring green and sustainable procurement. Number 5, operating energy and water conservation. Number 6, running sustainable transportation and logistics. Number 7, engaging attendees in sustainable practices. Then, managing environment-friendly content. Number 9, using technology that supports sustainable practices. And finally, carrying out health, safety, and risk management. Let us dive in each planning and organizing aspect of event sustainability. The first is setting up sustainable strategy. The event management sustainable commitment is reflected into their strategy in holding event sustainability. It will start in the mission statement and organization values that is translated into clear sustainability goals and objectives. It will then be deployed into their operation, not only incorporating stakeholders and involving suppliers in sustainable goal setting, but also setting sustainable key performance indicators for all business processes, including updating and publishing sustainability report regularly to the public. There are samples of commitment, such as to achieve zero waste to landfill, or reduce energy consumption by 90%, and many more. The second is incorporated stakeholders and partners in sustainable practices. This can be done through inquiries and collaboration with sustainable partners, such as those committed to fair trade, provide organic products, or those with B Corporation certification. The company will also prioritize on local sourcing because of consideration to transportation that produce a lot of carbon footprint that is not sustainable, or select providers with recognized green certification. Sustainable statements are stated in collaboration contract or communicated to public to seriously conduct sustainable practices. The third part is in selecting venue. The organizer will consider sustainable aspects such as how the venue operation and the selection impacts environment. They will see through their energy, water, and waste management, whether they use local produce, identify how the venue's engagement with local communities and businesses. Determining the accessibility of venue by public transport, proximity to accommodation facilities for attendees, and its commitment to environment-friendly amenities are of the criteria in venue selection. Procurement aspects, as the fourth factor, is also being considered carefully. Sourcing sustainable suppliers and vendors especially locals with ethical sourcing and over sustainable product options is an important aspect. Sustainable organizer is usually building strong relationship with sustainable suppliers and vendors so they can achieve their sustainable mission and values. The organizer will procure environment-friendly recreation, giveaway and gifts, and also use recycling and reusable products. The fifth aspect is waste management. Waste management is very important in sustainable event organizing. During its event organizing, the organizer is willing to make waste source separation and collection, performing composting, organic waste, taking resource reusable and refillable options, doing upcycling and repurposing. They will also motivated to work together with local recycling facilities and take post-event waste audits as post-event activities. With their commitment to energy and water conservation, which is the sixth factor, sustainable event organizer will undergo an efficient lighting system, act on reuse and recycle water resources, provision of smart heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and perform wastewater treatment. In doing so, they are trying their best to minimize carbon footprint and minimize negative impact to the environment. The seventh factor is the organizer commitment to environment-friendly transportation and logistics. As the high understanding on an event's contribution on transportation and logistics to carbon emission, planning on efficient transportation mode and systems such as using electrical vehicle and collaborating with local transportation services to provide shuttle bus for attendees. For logistic transfer, using alternative fuels and operating smart parking system is one consideration. The practice also includes in using sustainable packaging and delivery system. Encourage attendees to minimize waste by providing recycle and compost bins throughout the event venue. Avoid using single-use plastics and disposable items. Encourage attendees to use public transportation or even bike to the venue, are those related with engagement of attendees to the sustainability. Workshop sessions that educate attendees about sustainability, such as composting, energy conservation, or sustainable gardening, could also be carried out to inspire attendees to adopt greener practices in their daily lives. The organizer must also provide local and seasonal food choices to support local farmers, curate seasonal, organic, and locally sourced ingredients, and use sustainable catering. The ninth aspect is event content management. As a sustainable event organizer, we must develop digital contents and materials and set up the content management and delivery process using social media, mobile apps, and other electronic tools. Minimizing paper usage or less paper campaign is very important to minimize waste landfill. The 10th factor is adoption of existing and new technology to support sustainable practices. This will help in utilize existing and new technology and digital tools for protecting environment and use energy and resources responsibly and efficiently. Solid and liquid waste sensor and treatment, as well as energy savings conducts, are preferable. If necessary, an added value to technology adoption on event industry, such as conducting virtual meeting than face-to-face meeting, must be considered to foster a collective commitment to a healthier planet. The last is health, safety, and risk management on sustainable practice should also be considered to achieve event sustainability, not only highlight on events' commitment to environment sustainability, but also for social welfare and economic sustainability. Conclusion: there are at least 10 aspects to be considered in planning and managing event sustainability, while Those must be addressed in every stage of event management, in the pre-event, during event, and post-event stages. In doing so, the event can create memorable experiences while leaving a positive environmental legacy. This is the end of topic 3, planning and managing a sustainable event. The next topic will be the fourth and the last topic of principles of event sustainability, the future of event sustainability. The fourth topic will discuss about the future of event sustainability, the novel business model of event sustainability, from focusing on circular economy to digital twin in managing sustainable event. See you in topic 4, the future of event sustainability.